With the introduction of the new USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 ports, there are a ton of cheap dongles on the market with multiple ports, although they all come with their own limitations. Caldigit may have just cracked that though with their latest docking solution, the Thunderbolt 3 miniDock. The Thunderbolt 3 ports on a Mac or PC only supply 15 watts to bus-powered devices, so cheap USB-C dongles with many ports will exceed the 15 watts of power, causing issues down the line such as hard drives unmounting and data corruption because of insufficient power if all the ports are used up. That's where these come in. The Caldigit miniDocks are designed to have just the right amount of ports to be under the 15 watts of power. In addition, they're fully certified Thunderbolt 3 docks providing up to the full 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, making them pretty powerful little devices. At less than 5 inches on its longest side, we have an all-aluminum enclosure which helps to protect the internals from the rigours of travel, with an attached Thunderbolt 3 cable, meaning no additional cables to fumble about with. Simply attach it to a Thunderbolt 3 port on your Mac or PC and you're set to go. The miniDock is available in 2 flavours. One comes with dual HDMI 2 ports, a USB 3.1 5GB per second port, a USB 2 port and a gigabit Ethernet port, while the second comes with the same Ethernet and USB 3 ports, but accompanied with dual display ports for even higher resolutions. Note that as the miniDocks are 40 gigabits per second Thunderbolt 3, they can drive dual 4K 60Hz monitors. USB-C adapters are usually limited to 4K 30Hz, so that's an impressive feat right there. There's not much more to say about these units. Throughout testing, they've performed flawlessly, providing the ability to connect legacy devices in the most convenient way possible, while still being small enough to carry in your laptop bag. A single tethered cable from the miniDock to your Thunderbolt 3 laptop is all it takes to light up 2 displays, connect to the internet, and add USB devices. If you're after more ports or a desktop solution, the Caldigit TS3 Plus is still the way to go. But when it comes to portability, available in 2 flavours and priced around the $100 mark, the Caldigit miniDocks are well built, powerful, yet convenient enough to always be on hand.